how to install a hard drive. First, turn off your PC and then you can open up your side panel. Then you can connect your hard drive with a SATA data and power cable and then install it onto the case. Now you're going to go on your PC and right click on the Windows icon and then open up Disk Manager. Then as you can see, your hard drive needs to be allocated. So you're just going to right click on it and then click on New Simple Volume. Now you're just going to click Next and then make sure all of your hard drive is being used. Then you're just going to leave it as assign the following drive letter. And then you're just going to leave it at format this volume with the following settings. But if you want to label this drive, you can do so here, and then you're just going to click Next and finish, and now you should be good to go. But if you want a system like this, be sure to check out Empowered PC, link is in bio. Follow for more content like